Okay, if you love making cute handmade crafts or cards, you need to see this. I got these pressed dried leaves for card making and they have saved me so much time and money. It's honestly a game changer. Because let's be real, finding pretty natural materials for crafts is hard. Either they're expensive, hard to find, or they don't even look good once you use them. That's why I love this set. It comes with 84 real pressed leaves, all beautifully preserved and ready to use. No prep, no mess, no waiting. And none of them were broken. You get 4 separate vacuum-sealed packs to keep everything fresh, and the colors are still vibrant and gorgeous. These are real, natural leaves, carefully preserved to last longer, perfect for resin, jewelry, candles, scrapbooks, nail art, even phone cases. I've been using them for cards, and they instantly make everything look better. It just feels good creating something this pretty without all the hassle. And don't worry if they vary a little in shape or color, that's actually what makes them unique and natural. If you want to create beautiful, easy DIY gifts without the stress, this is a set for you. You're going to love them.